From the travel bags to the prayer mats, the craftsmanship is ultra-modern.
These goats represent purity, size, and elite breeding.
Strong genetics begin with care.
Aren't you sweet? Yes, you are. Eat your dinner, my sweet babies. You are so hungry tonight. Welcome aboard! So glad you're here! Welcome!
Vitals look good on this one. Scan is clear.
Noted. Moving on to pen 12. This one looks healthy. Vitals are strong.
Good, let's move to the next subject and check the indicators. Temperature is 101.5.
Recorded. Vitals look good on this one too.
Each tray is carefully inspected and labeled, guaranteeing that this is premium Rajanpur goat meat.
Look at this fresh goat meat.
It looks perfect for the feast tonight.
This is going to be wonderful tonight. Yes, everyone will love it. Let me just clean this first. The color on that marinade is just right.
Yeah.
It looks absolutely delicious. I can't wait.
The rods are secure, ready for the fire.
It smells amazing already.
Look how perfectly that's cooking. The skin is getting so crispy.
Yeah.
It smells incredible. I can't wait to try it.
This food is absolutely delicious.
I agree. It reminds me of the festivals back home.
We are so happy you all could make it.
Here you go. That looks like a perfect cut.
Thank you so much. This smells incredible. Who wants more roast beef? It turned out perfectly.
It smells incredible. Let's toast to this wonderful evening.
To family and good food. Cheers, everyone.
Oh my goodness, this is incredible. Dad's secret recipe strikes again.
In this moment, surrounded by family, we remember the importance of gratitude and the timeless beauty of tradition.
Everything was wonderful. My compliments to the chef. I agree completely. Feeling very content right now.
We must do this again soon.
To a wonderful year and continued success.
Merry Christmas.
This batch meets the premium standards, yes.
Agreed. The texture is excellent.
I've integrated the new clasp design here. The cup.
Excellent. That highlights the unique grain of the leather. We've utilized the premium white leather across the entire collection.
From the travel bags to the prayer mats, the craftsmanship is ultra modern.